Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, air conditioning, floor mats, anti-theft security system, cruise control, Sirius satellite radio, power outlet, rear view camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.